It's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.